Hello, everyone. John Lin here, and welcome back to the ExpertGate interview series, where we spotlight thought leaders whose innovative work is shaping the future of education and industry. Today, we have the absolute pleasure of speaking with a truly inspiring academic and leader, Dr. Naveen Dingra, registrar and professor at Sage University, Bhopal. With 55 publications and close to 300 citations and several patents to his name, Dr. Dingra's contributions to education and cutting-edge research in cancer drug design are paving the way for transformative impacts in healthcare and beyond. Now, as a leader at one of India's most forward-thinking universities, Dr. Dingra has been at the forefront of integrating innovation into education, including pioneering initiatives like the new national education policy and liberal education system. Now, his dedication to creating a student-centric experience and advancing research demonstrates a profound commitment to empowering the next generation of learners and innovators. Dr. Dingra, it's an absolute pleasure to have you with us. Now, let's begin with your journey. So, can you share a bit of an overview of your professional path and what inspired you to specialize in your field?
Namaskar, and thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to be part of ExpertGate. My professional journey has been shaped by a passion for the intersection of the biology, technology, and healthcare, which has driven me to pursue a career in the life sciences. I began my academic journey with a bachelor's degree in the life sciences, followed by the master's degree in the biomedical, where I graduated with the highest honors. And my earlier interest was in the molecular mechanism which underlying diseases, combined with the potential for the scientific research to solve the world problems, which actually inspired me to pursue my PhD in life sciences again. My doctoral research focused on the isolations and characterization of the phytochemicals from various fruits for the prevention of the breast cancer.
Mm.
And throughout my career, I have had the privilege of holding several academic positions, which includes assistant professor, head of the Department of the Biotechnology, registrar at Medicaps University, and currently, as you have already introduced, that I'm a registrar at the Sage University, Bhopal. So what actually helps me, in addition to my teaching and administrative roles, I have been always deeply involved in the research and basically in the computational biology, QSCR, molecular docking, systems biology, cancer biology, which have become my core areas of the specializations. The field of the cancer biology, particularly which I always believe in the search for a novel therapeutic strategies through computational method has always fascinated me. And I am in the field of the same. The potential actually to apply this computational tools to solve the complex biological problems, especially in the cancer research, has motivated me to continue my work in this area. In addition to the research and academic work, I have been opportunity to contribute to the practical innovations where I have developed some antiviral herbal compositions, skin sanitizing systems, which has actually many patents there. And these experience reinforces my belief in the power of interdisciplinary research to make a meaningful and impact to the public health. Overall, if you see, my journey have been driven by desire to contribute to the scientific knowledge and its application in improving the human health. The combination of I have the best opportunity where I have been a teacher, an administrator, and a researcher and practical innovator, which actually continues to inspire my work and reinforce my commitment to advancing in the field of the science of field. That's all. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your inspiring journey, Dr. Dingra. I mean, your story truly underscores the importance of interdisciplinary work and really to push forward for what you're doing at the moment, with cancer research and all these different fields in biology. Now, let's dive deeper into your perspectives on collaboration, social impact, and the evolving landscape of education itself. Now, at Sage University, Dr. Dingra, you oversee both the academic and administrative domains, now while remaining deeply also, as you mentioned, engaged in your scientific research. So
Yes.
what types of projects or collaborations are you most excited to explore through ExpertGate?
Uh, I'm particularly excited to explore the projects of the collaboration which actually intersect the computational biology, cancer research, pharmaceutical innovations through ExpertGate. That's what I've thought of. And given my expertise in the areas such as molecular docking, QSR, systems biology, I look forward to collaborate on the interdisciplinary project that leverage cutting-edge technologies to advance the cancer treatment and drug discovery. My research interest, especially in the application of the computational tools, to explore the phytochemicals and the potential therapeutic effects, could actually benefit greatly from the collaboration, which I focused on the drug development and molecular docking. Additionally, very important thing, I believe that I'm eager to engage in the projects that bridge the gap between the academic research and the practical applications, such as the novel development of the antivirals or the antimicrobial compositions, like which I have worked on many, and collaborating with the Indian industry experts, healthcare professionals, research on translating these innovations into the real world is something I find incredibly. One more important thing, since I've been a part of a UGC Stride project from the last many years, where I'm delivering the lectures and expert to the students on academic writing. So I'm also enthusiastic about collaborating on academic writing, which includes like thesis, papers, publications, and high impact journals. So this helped to shape and refine research ideas into comprehensive thesis, I believe, and well-crafted publications in any of the specified areas. It's not only about in the biology, but I'm delivering the thesis writing and academic writing to the various fields, I believe. So collaborating with a diverse network of the professionals through ExpertGate offers the opportunity to new and emerging areas, such as personalized medicine, systems biology, and academic writing, which I believe I'm excited about the potential for the ExpertGate for this to foster the collaborations that bring together diverse expertise in the technologies and medicine, research, academic writing. And my administration part is going to help in that, because being an administrator, I have to always go through the curriculum, the board of studies and everything, which also will help in writing a projects on the curriculum development and could help in the academic and industry interactions, which I believe.
Oh, wonderful, doctor. I mean, your work in drug design, particularly for chronic diseases like breast cancer, holds immense potential for social impact. And like you mentioned, reuniting. This is part of what we do here at ExpertGate, right? Reuniting academia with industry, trying to find transforming theory into practical applications. That has great potential. Now, how do you see your research in contributing towards creating this positive change, especially within underserved communities or the healthcare industry as a whole?
If you see, my work is actually centered around improving human health and contributing to the scientific advancement, actually that have a direct positive impact on the society. Through my research in the areas which I have already mentioned, I aim to develop actually the innovative therapeutic solutions that can improve the lives of individuals, particularly those battling diseases like cancer. But now I have also started working in the field of diabetes and others also, and malaria. So by focusing and utilizing these techniques, I hope to contribute to more effective and accessible treatment options. Beyond research, if you see, my involvement in developing the compositions provides practical solutions that can benefit communities, especially in the context of the global health challenges, which recently I like to share something that I have developed a project against the corona, which was very important, like during the pandemics. Additionally, through my academic roles and mentorships, I strive to nurture the next generations of the scientists and researchers by offering the guidance on the thesis writing. I hope to empower young scholars to make meaningful contributions to the society and scientific community. So by continuously bridging the gap between this research and the real world applications, I always believe that the research should be something which should be helpful in both the social and impactful, and should be always a globalized work. So I see my work as having a lasting positive influence on both the scientific community and to the wider society.
Yeah, I mean, definitely. When you bridge that gap between academia and industry, and you really transform the theory into real world applications, whether it was into previously breast cancer research, or now with your new research into diabetes and all these fields, it's truly a long lasting kind of work, and will progress further into the future with real world impacts. Now, as the world transitions into Industry 5.0, Doctor, how do you envision this revolution shaping the future of education, particularly in preparing students for a human-centered AI-driven workforce?
I believe this is a very important topic today. Every universities and industry shall take a discussion on, and I commend ExpertGate for its commitment actually for dedicating a significant portion of the profits on developing the curriculum and teaching initiatives. And this is an excellent step, I believe, towards bridging the technology which divides and empower the unprivileged communities. But to enhance these efforts, I believe that there should be a collaborative approach which involves the universities, industries, and the local communities, which can create a more impactful, and a sustainable model, I believe. Firstly, I say that university play a very crucial role in fostering the innovation and knowledge dissemination, which I always believe in. And by aligning this research and the curriculum with the core principle of the industry, today what we are working on, like human-centric technology, sustainable development, and the most important, I believe today, the world is going with the integration of the AI and the robotics with the human expertise. We can create an academic program that actually addresses the real world challenges. Most important, which I believe that university can also collaborate with the industries to ensure that the curriculum is not only relevant, but it also should reflect the skills and the competencies actually which is needed in the involving job markets. And this actually will prepare the students better, particularly from underprivileged communities, as ExpertGate is also now very inclining towards that part also. In addition, I would like to add that universities can extend their outreach programs to communities in the need, providing free or the low-cost education, skill development, like leveraging online platforms and open source. That is one of the most important sources, so that all the world's scientists and the researchers could and meet at one place and could develop something like that. Very important, which I always believe, which actually personally I have believed, to enhance the efforts, there should be a focus on developing a mentorship program where the industry leaders and the university professors should collaborate to guide and support students from the underprivileged and the background. So such programs can improve the confidence and can offer the career. So by fostering the partnership between the universities, the industries, organizations like ExpertGate, what they're working on, we can build a more inclusive and innovative ecosystem, I believe, that empowers the individual, especially in the underprivileged communities, which we are seeking for.
Oh, most definitely, Professor. I mean, for us at ExpertGate, we dedicate 50% of all of our profits into furthering education in these kind of underprivileged communities. And when the transformative work through aligning education with the new onset of AI, all right, utilizing it as not utilizing it as a replacement for us, but more so as a tool. That is going to be more so important than ever in the next coming years. Now, Dr. Dingra, thank you so much for your time today and sharing your lovely insights, into your contributions to education, research, and administration are truly inspiring and serve as a beacon for academics and researchers. Now, to our audience, thank you for tuning in into ExpertGate's interview series. Stay connected for more inspiring conversations with global thought leaders. And for more information about Dr. Dingra's work, visit us at expertgate.org, at ExpertGate, for everyone, everywhere.